Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy Travis Dykes. Today we are going to be going over a quick bass groove that just about anybody at any stage can pick up. This is a really funky, kind of groovy, kind of vibey kind of groove. So, but it shouldn't take us long to pick it up. So why don't you grab your bass and we'll get started. All right, let's get into this lesson. This groove will be in the key of F sharp minor, which we'll be also using the F sharp minor pentatonic scale. If you don't know what the minor pentatonic scale is or what pentatonic scales are, I will link a link to a video that I do on all the pentatonic scales and all the positions. And yeah, you can go check that out. So here we go. Just a refresher for the pentatonics, the minor pentatonic. This is what we got. So we got. So that's our reminder of the pentatonic scale. So all we're going to do is we're going to do 3 plucks or strums on the 1 or the F sharp would be 1, 2, 3. Okay. And I like to add this little octave in there. So on the first note. And so basically the octave is just 2 frets up and 2 strings down. So we got and the octave is the same note, just higher. But it really adds like a really cool kind of like, I don't know, like kind of bouncy kind of sound. So the first little bit is going to be this. All right, one more time. It would be. All right. And so the next part is going to be this right here. This is all, remember, this is all in the minor pentatonic. So we got. So it's got, we're gonna do two hits on the F sharp, the higher octave, and then that E on the D string, and then that D flat on the A string. So it'd be like, all right, and then we're gonna go. And all that is just B, D flat, A on the G string, and then back to the F sharp on the D string. So it should be like this. Let me go just a little bit slower for you guys. So we got. Okay, so the whole groove slow should be like this. And I also add like this, just like a E on the D string and D flat, leading back into the F sharp. I do that sometimes. You don't have to do that, but if you want to just add that little extra, you can. So, okay. And that's literally the entire groove, okay? And so you could take this, use it, just anywhere. This is just like a fun groove. And if you wanted to think about this in the key, because you could also think about this in the key of A. You could think about this as the six of A major. So if you want to place this anywhere, you just think about, oh, I could do this on the 6th of whatever song or progression that I'm playing. Because so, and now something I didn't notice or didn't say, I'm doing boom, boom, boom. There's 2 hits on that. Boom, 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 boom. All right. But anyways, that is the whole groove. If you guys have any questions about this groove, or if you guys like this video and like videos like this, drop a comment below, or feel free to send me a message on my Instagram at @tdykes. That is the best way to reach me because it's direct, goes straight to my cell phone, and I just notified as soon as you guys send a message. So check it out. And yeah, and like this video if you want to help support these videos and help them reach the world on YouTube a lot easier. Just go ahead and hit that like button. And I will definitely appreciate it. But anyways, I will see you guys in our next lesson.